Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the app you are trying to install is not Microsoft verified app. So if you're having an issue when you are downloading a third-party application on your Windows device and you cannot install it because it is not a Microsoft verified app, so this is here in this video I'm going to give you the solution how to fix that. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your start option menu here and click it, and here go to the settings option, and here go to the apps option and select the apps and feature, and here you can see on top choose where to get the application. By default it is selected on the Microsoft Store only, so I'm going to expand it. You can see there are several options. The first option is anywhere and the second is anywhere, but let me know if there are a comparable apps in the Microsoft Store, and the third is anywhere but warn me before installing an apps that not from the Microsoft Store. So I'm going to select anywhere, and after selecting that you can download any third-party application and you don't get the verification notification on your PC whenever you try to install another application. So this is the video. I hope this is a helpful video for you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.